Hello. Welcome to another episode of Tailored for Taste. Keisha, a while ago when you started talking, I just said...
Welcome back to the episode. No, sorry. Do that again.
To the episode.
Somebody say something.
Done more. Sorry.
That's my fault. Welcome to Tailored for Taste. Last week.
You mess up already?
Okay.
Welcome to Tailored for Taste. This is our cheesiest episode yet. It's what is perfect for Andre.
What? Whatever.
Andre, you have to admit that you tend to be a tad bit cheesy.
No, I think you're mixing me up with Halim. I don't know what you're talking about. Unless you're saying that I remind you of cheese because of all this ooey gooey, is what I'm saying.
You see what I mean? I rest my case.
Now, you'll notice that these chops are...
Large.
Yeah,
Thick.
these are my big boy chops. Call up my Linky and say, Linky, rrr. When I say rrr, I don't have to say anything else. They know exactly what I want.
Exactly what you mean.
So Andre showed you a couple different types of pasta, but now we're going to show you how to make fresh pasta from scratch, right?
Scratch.
Scratch.
Than scratch.
More scratch than scratch. What was the name of that movie?
Well, let's
Patrick Swayze and Demi Moore. They're potting the clay together.
And Italy is supposed to be one of those countries of love, so this is a nice little dish that you're saying then, right?
I love you too, Terry. So that's what you're trying to tell me. I love
No, I
you
was
too.
talking about you and your girlfriend still, but I do love you.
So from just a little ball, we have this entire sheet that we can play with.
Let's see if you can see your face through it.
You can see through it?
No, not quite.
Not
Okay,
quite.
Not quite.
I didn't already.
Oh, that's anticipation.
No, I don't want it to burn, so I'm just ensuring. Congratulations to your teacher.
You
what I'm
had
saying.
to include
Right.
yourself in there.
Is what I'm saying.
The world's best dumpling maker to the world's best dumpling maker teacher.
See?
Shake. Shake, Andre. Shake.
No, still okay. It's just so weird.
That's as much shake as you get. Why shake, you have to pay for it.
You learn a thing or two. Zine, just one arm move.
Singular and departure is what I'm saying. Anyway, let me turn my attention to more important things.
All right, I'm leaving you alone.
It's
You
all right.
and Halim in competition from the first episode, but let me tell you.
From a long time and before this.
Okay.
Always.
All right. Well, anyways, I'm just going to bounce it while you're out.
It's all right. Go on. But I play to win, I play to
So,
win.
okay, I'm sorry. Is this a competition?
It is.
Is this a competition? I was not aware.
If Andre and I are walking down the road together, we're going to compete. It's a competition.
Okay.
Everything is
It's
a
all- we're
competition
always
between the two of them.
Even when we don't admit it. But if you know us, you know that's what we're about. Some man over this side, a follow back a man. Buck up in a... That was not planned.
I don't know what you're talking
Buck
about.
up in
I
a
was
man.
there first.
Buck up in a man. Whether or not you were there first, we better look in, so we'll go with that.
That's a matter of opinion, but anyway.
Whatever.
Me no buck up in a no man. Zine,
I mean, that taste good anyway, but
you know you follow yourself?
only on a Saturday.
Is a potato and zucchini en gratin.
Oh.
Sounds fancy.
It's not fancy, it's just French. Old dog can learn new tricks, you know. Like, look at Andre. He might learn from me too.
Why are you here?
Terry, help me. Finish our box. Yeah, that's fine. For the sake of the rest of the building, I will not jump.
I'm the sweet one.
Yeah, I beg to differ. Moving along.
You tasting yourself does not count. A creme brulee and some no-bake cheesecake balls.
Nice. What? Why is everybody laughing? I don't know everybody laugh. You said balls again?
Balls. But you can help yourself.
I'm sure you're going to leave with the bowl.
I am going home with the bowl. Now, as you can see, roll up my sleeves because cooking time, All right. Not throwing any shade. Terry didn't cook. Right? There's no shade in case anybody thinks that, but she didn't cook. So what we're gonna do? We're gonna
I
do
like
some.
shade.
You like shade? So you share flash here and there things. Not because me shine up in plates.
Okay, all right.
And you put the salmon
You
in
know
the
what
oven.
it is? It's because
Yes.
him see. It's because him see what is going on and him get scared.
Look
Him
at this
catch
face.
afraid.
This man never worries, ever.
Why would we
My
want to do
life
that?
stress free. Radio. As a matter of fact, I done me down healthy right now.
It's alright. Stand back.
Done me down healthy.
You might throw what now? It's alright.
Yeah. I'm being more humble today, and I'm just going to have you speak, smile, pretend like me like it.
You know what funny thing about me and this brethren? As soon as all of this is over, I'm not going to say we're going to hug and kiss and make friends, but because we're not, bad man other than something.
All right.
But we're
Them
still
just
brethren.
bought.
At the end of the day, we are just still brethren. Green quinoa tabbouleh, almost.
Taboo now one game.
Tabbouleh salad, what is it?
Taboo now one game.
Taboo is a game. I'm talking about tabbouleh.
Oh, same thing.
Someone ready?
Yeah.
I'm going to double check that. I want to double check because
Yeah, let him
I know
slap me
you
still.
kind of.
Like me, I try sabotage it.
Okay, ready for you.
Because if you can't taste it, me shouldn't eat it.
No, but I know what I'm doing. I'm much more expert than some other man. Some of have to taste it. I know what it tastes
And
like.
what you say?
Not throw no punches. All is well.
Cause you're weak.
Ah!
See that? I'm not even a look for plate. I don't know if you see that.
I want to drop off on the plate, you see? Because I never know you might go for ice cream and them things there. It's enough, brother.
Made it.
It's not enough, it's
Handmade.
Enough.
There's a difference.
I not even want to take more taste it. Palpitation.
1, 2, 3.
Stop!
Halim, don't cry, darling.
No, I'm not going to bad. Batman no bad, but more bad
Yeah,
still.
yeah.
What was the game changer? What stole it? If it had to be one thing. The planting?
This.
For her, it's the
So it was a
dessert.
dessert for you?
Yeah,
You know, we can do this till Monday still.
I like it.
I wonder if him know.
Andre, it look like so the next time I reap my farm, I can send you go on a market go sell.
Saying.
Your
I'm
hand,
saying,
your hand
like-
good. Never know that one.
Okay. One in the books.
Yeah.
Andre. That's what he's saying.
You're gonna see some flames.
Nice.
Because me a hot boy, first of all. Let me just make that known.
Okay.
So
Don't believe that either.
you're gonna see a bit of flames here.
So we're going to, you can see it on the recipe, right? We're using scallion, 2 different parts, right? The bottom part is a little whiter. The base, sorry, burger man.
So the
We use
bottom part is the onion.
Base, exactly. We use the base of the scallion, the white parts.
Now you know why I don't dance for your food.
Can you bad mind? Can you bad mind? Is that Angela still dancing for mine?
All right. We all have our own taste and preferences, so.
Watch this.
Okay.
So these are about to be some of the nicest shrimp you've ever had.
Quite possibly.
And I say
Quite
that
possibly.
with all modesty right now.
Okay, okay.
Modesty.
All modesty
You
right
all
now.
know Andre. Is there any modesty in him?
Simple as that.
No, those words don't go together with your name.
She may beat your time.
I will. If that is the test, I will beat that.
Yeah, but I
boy.
still weigh things better than she does, so I'm good with that.
We haven't had that challenge in that
No,
yet.
I'm pretty confident.
All right. All right.
I'm pretty confident. You said it yourself.
I never said that I couldn't beat you.
I heard it in my mind.
Okay.
Nothing else matters right now.
Nothing else.
Hearing
matters
voices
right
in your
now.
head.
Part of it, once again, is about thinking about the textures and flavors, so making sure that you have a different, the different textures hitting your mouth and different flavors complementing each other and balancing. I taste things in my head. I know it sounds a little weird, but I do.
So one hears things
all
in the
right.
head.
Yeah.
I want
Taste
to take
things
things
in
in
there.
the head.
All right. Good
Combination.
combination.
I taste imaginary things. If I want to know if it works, I go, that's delicious.
So you do the same thing?
I do the same thing.
Yeah.
Andre, I'm going to usher you out. I'm going to sideline you for this one.
You can sit and look pretty. Go ahead.
Just
Yeah,
sit and look pretty.
that's not going to be
There you
difficult
go.
at all.
I'm done with you. Some might call it burn, whatever. It's just a little bit of char. Just a little bit. Burn it up a little bit.
You win. So high five.
Thank you.
For now, we're going to let the ladies stay and enjoy their food.
Yes.
Yes.
We're going to go to a break.
Love the
When
flavor,
we
by
get
the
back,
way.
a real chef will be in the kitchen cooking.
Oh,
Oh,
did he go
Stay
there?
with us.
Did he
Stay
go
with us.
there?
We'll be right back.
Guys, make sure you're watching the show, Sunday at 5:30, rebroadcast on Thursdays at 12:30. I got that right? I think I got
Yes, you did.
that. Boom. That wasn't recording.